Hi friends, today we are going to see which number blocks can change shapes.
So Divit, before you start, can you show me what box do you have with you?
The same box yesterday.
Okay, so can we see the box right now? Can you point to the camera? Oh wow, that's 0 to 10. And in this box, we got all the number blocks. So we have already arranged all the number blocks from 0 to 10. If you haven't seen this already, I will put the link in the video description for the previous video where Divit has constructed these big towers. And now each card has multiple shapes for each number block. And Divit is going to show us what can they form into.
So, no, 0 cannot change shapes or 1, but 2 can.
Okay, so 0 does not have a number block, 1 has a single block, and 2, oh my god, what did you do? Oh wow, that's amazing. You changed number 2 from a vertical tower to a horizontal tower. That looks amazing. How about 3? Can you show me the card for number 2 before you do it to number 3? So for number 2, let's see the card. Oh yeah, it's on the card. You can make it a vertical tower and a horizontal tower. Now let me see the card for number 3. What shapes can number 3 change into?
Here you go.
Wow! But I think, David, the step squad is on the left side. You put it on the right side. Wow, now that looks perfectly matching. That's amazing. So number 3 is also a step squad, right?
Yeah.
Because it looks like steps.
Number block 4 is a square. He can be as a square. So let's put him like.
And why is number block 4 a square? Because it's a square of 2.
Let's put on 3 faces.
So you're gonna put something like this, 2 separate eyes on 2 separate boxes and
Then
face on the
let's
third
put
one.
Another eye.
And then we are going to show you guys all the combinations that a 4 can form.
And here is number block 4. Smile.
Make him smile, okay? Don't make him upset.
I am 4.
Okay, what other shapes can you make for the 4? Can you show me?
So number block 4
You
can.
can make a shape of L. How do you make a L? Oh, you made a big tower out of. Oh, that's a horizontal tower. Okay, that's 1.
That's all from you for now. 4 has to be a square.
Okay.
And here's your card back. And here's your 4. Can I have your 5?
Yep. Let's see the card of the 5.
I'm done one of shape already.
Oh, wow. So you don't need to change the stickers for 5, right?
No, I need to.
You do? Okay, I think for this shape you probably need to.
I put number block 5's eye upside down. It should be like this.
Oh.
So I need this, a smile for number block 5. Number block 5 has a pretty smile. And let's put the other eye on. Number block 5. Here is number block 5.
Oh, wow. Let me look at it. That looks amazing.
So now let's number block 6. So let's put on so now here is. Now we need the eye. Number block 6 is eye. So now let's put on a other eye. Let's put on this like this. Then let's put smile on this side. Then let's put on 3 more dots. 2 more. 5.
Can I see the card for the 6? Okay, so it can be a rectangle and a vertical tower. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 times 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is also 6.
I'm done.
That looks exactly like what you have on the card. That's amazing, David.
And I forgot, and I made another mistake.
Which is the Numberblink. Oh, wow. 6, please look at me. Oh, wow. Now that looks exactly the same.
Now
David.
number block 7 cannot change shape, but
Okay.
number block 8 can. So you can call number block 8 auto block as well.
Okay. But it is a step squad,
No,
right?
but we have to copy the code.
Okay, yeah. But I think you know more than the card, right? Number 6 is also a member of the square step squad family, right? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15.
21,
Then,
28,
then,
36,
then,
45,
then.
55.
Wow!
But there are 3 more, 66, 78 and 91.
Yeah, so that's how you go on adding numbers, right? Cumulative or running sum.
And now here's the last, and here is number block 8 smile. And now here is number block 8.
Oh wow, can I see the 8 card for the number block 8? Okay. Oh wow. And when I look behind, oh my god, it can form so many shapes.
No,
like a
but we
2,
have to
a
copy
5.
the front card.
Okay, but I'm just showing the people.
Okay. And
Thank you.
Now let's number block 9.
Okay, while you convert 9 and you put the stickers, can you give me the card for the 9?
There.
Thank you so much. Oh wow, this is what we are going to make. That looks so amazing.
No, first we are going to make a square.
Okay. Yeah, that's what you're going to make a square, right? So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Square of 3 is 9. What else is 9?
No, but I told you, can I have it I'm done building 9?
By the way, how many squares do we have? 1 square is 1, then 4 and 9, and then
16, 25, 26, 49, 64, 81, 100, and 2 more. 110, 144.
amazing, David. That's so good.
Have you watched Numberblocks show?
Yeah, I have. Have you?
Yeah, I watched it many times.
Oh, nice. And that's where you got this idea from, right?
And Numberblock 9.
Is ready. Amazing.
Yeah, but we need reds. Some 10 pieces of red for Numberblock 10. So we need all 10 of these. So I already added the smile. So now I'm going to put on the eyes.
Let me see what you're trying to do. Oh, okay. You're going to put like these 10 sides and the face. Do you have the hands as well?
No.
Oh, the box does not come with hands.
Legs.
Oh, yeah. They should also give us these hands and legs. Numberblocks, if you're listening to us, please add those in the box.
So let's add some red on Numberblock 10 side.
So while you're adding the sides, let me see what else do we have on the card. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 5 times 2 and 2 times 5 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10.
You know Numberblock 10 is step squad.
Oh yeah, you are right. Numberblock 10 is also a step squad.
Now she looks more like 10.
Oh wow, dude, she looks amazing.
Yeah, but if you check on the side, you will not see white, you will see red.
Wow.
I will check take my it and then have a check on the
Oh
side.
wow, that looks exactly like what you have on the card. And she's smiling as well. Here you go. Amazing.
Alright friends, that's all for this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Play Date with Divit. See you in the next video. Bye for now.